What's up, guys? So happy 4th of July. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Um, so I'm making this video to see if I can hit a Herbert. So PC rip for the Herbert. Not gonna mess around. Let's get into it. Here we go with the select. I really hope I hit it before we hit the optics, but I mean, I'd rather save them for you guys, the optics. But anyway, let's see. I want a PC Herbert that I've pulled rather than just buying them. So let's see what we get here. Got the Mega Box Select, purple prism die cuts. There we go. Just get right into it. Keep it moving. Looking for any big rookies. James Morgan. TJ Watt. Purple. Cam Newton turbocharged. Michael Pittman Jr. Premier. Guys, I have plenty of these left too. I'll be posting next week's break tomorrow. Derrick Henry. Derrick Henry twice. There we go, though. Purple, die cut, prism, concourse. Cam Newton, hot stars. And Alex Smith. Hunt for the Herbert, guys. Hunt for the Herbert. Here we go. Jake Luton. Darnell Mooney. Jake Luton, silver. We got Malik Taylor. Don't know if this is going to work or not, but we will see. Jerry Jeudy, concourse. Cam Akers. Peyton Manning. Devin Duvernay, premier. Not bad cards. Not bad cards. Adam Thielen. Got a Jake Fromm. There you go, Jesse. Brandon Ayuk. Okay, so this is a, what, a yellow or gold Ayuk? That's pretty cool. Club level. And a Darnell Mooney. That's probably my best card right there. Ayuk. Oh, number 9 out of 10. Check that out. 9 out of 10. Bam. Very nice. That probably means I will not hit a Herbert in this. But we'll see. I'm going to keep going until I hit Herbert. Van Jefferson. Justin Herbert, purple. Bam. There we go. A.J. Dillon. And a Tyrann Mathieu. Okay, so I'm gonna at least rip the rest of this box real fast. But all this, I'll save that for you guys. That was my goal, to hit a Herbert. And did pretty well. Pretty well. Troy Polamalu. Brian Edwards. Purple field level. Saquon Barkley. Prism. And Henry Ruggs, premier. Crazy. Loving that Herbert. Tyler Johnson, James Conner, Michael Vick, Silver Field, and Antonio Winfield Jr. Field. Nice. A.J. Dillon, David Johnson, got a CEH turbocharged, and Carson Wentz. Tom Brady. Was it J.K. Dobbins, Jason Huntley, and a Raekwon Davis. All right, guys. I really want to rip a box of these. So, okay. I'll save the rest for you guys. These right here are yours. I really want to rip this right here, though. At least one. At least one. I haven't opened anything for myself in a long time, it feels like. So, let's just see what this box has in store. We'll go empty box. Now, I'll save those here in a second. Alright, if I hit another Herbert, I will stop. Matthew Stafford, Cooper Kupp, Chase Young, Cole Kmet, A.J. Terrell. If I don't hit another one, I'm good. Christian McCaffrey, Saquon Barkley, Justin Jefferson's Elite, and Antonio Gibson rated rookie. Amari Cooper, Nick Bosa, Isaiah Coulter, and Cole McDonald. Phillip Rivers, Tyrann Mathieu, Quintez Cephas Silver, Darnell Mooney, rookie card. Christian Wilkins, Mitchell Trubisky, Justin Jefferson, pink and a purple, and Benvenuti. Let's see what we got here. Levante Bell, Terry McLaurin, Terrell Lewis, and Julian Akwara. Alright, so that wasn't as fun as opening for you guys, but paid off. Got my Herbert. Wrong sleeve. So got my Herbert. That definitely wasn't as fun as doing the breaks, but is what it is. So I'm going to save those other ones for you guys. In my opinion, these are the best pulls. Let me know. This looks like some kind of Mojo stuff. Club level, Ayuk. Let me know what you guys think. What was your top pull? Leave me some comments. Like and subscribe. KJ Fast Breaks. Getting ready to post next weekend's NFL or NBA listings in just a few. Tomorrow I will post the NFL. Appreciate everybody. Like I said, those three are... I'll go ahead and throw them in next week's break. And along with some other stuff. So, hope you guys are having a great 4th. Be safe. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a good one.